Okay, so this is the new and improved #1 leather camera strap. Thought I'd just open it up and show you what comes in the package. You obviously get the strap, and you get a ton of information about how to like care for it and how to even attach the split rings. And then you get 2 leather bumpers. So you don't actually need to use these. It's kind of up to you. I prefer not to use them myself, but if you really don't want to scratch your camera, then definitely put them on. So this is like the most simple strap as it gets, but I actually put a lot of work into it. I've recently changed the leather to like a more premium. It was like a 5-ounce leather I was using, but now it's 6.5 ounce. So it's a bit thicker right here. It's about like a centimeter in diameter. So it's meant to be like a short length fixed strap. To put it on, if you can just get your fingernail between the split ring right there and just twist it around like that. Yeah. Same to the other side. Kind of gotta make sure the bumper is on all the way. Yeah. Okay. Cool. That's really sharp. So yeah, this is the fixed length #1. It does have our new analog fall stamp on it, which I think is pretty cool. And yeah, comes in 3 colors: brown, black, and natural. So, all right, cool. Thanks for watching.